Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, pretty big and pretty wide. They beat a polar bear in a fight. Like an underwater unicorn, they've got a kick ass facial harm. They're the Jedi of the sea, Cthulhu waiting. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals, don't you balls. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals, they made us a dishes kebab. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals, yeah. Narwhals, they are narwhals. Narwhals. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so awesome. Narwhals are really good, you'll find them in the sea, they're never in a wood. Narwhals, you know they're just so sweet, they can stab you in the face with their long protruding teeth, yeah. It's a tooth, baby, they don't need a dentist, cause they're watching it daily. It's a tooth, you know it's the truth, you don't need no more proof, cause I'm telling you it's a tooth.